Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. I know I've been, I've been lax on Market 411 this week. I wish I had more time. There's just so much. There's so much like incredible stuff to talk about. By the way, just in case you were wondering, shark advocates currently call for rebranding violent attacks as interactions. Oh, God. I just love stuff like this. Oh, where's my arm? I just interacted with a shark. Anyway, almost as equally ridiculous, based on my DMs, I need to do it. I know nobody wants to hear this. I had to bring out the 48-point font on social media. TBOHEN. StocksToTrade. All spelled out. No dashes. No underscores. No alternate spellings. Here's a hint for you. If someone spells my name wrong and DMs you on social media asking you to send them Bitcoin, I know this might be shocking. Sit down. Everyone, please sit down. Have a seat. Put the women and children to bed. Brace yourselves. If someone DMs you on social media with my pictures, but my name is spelled wrong, and they asked you to send them Bitcoin, it might not be me. Let's let that sink in for a minute, okay? It just might not be me. Okay. Just look at the frickin' spelling, okay? Please. All right. Let's move on. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. What's dumber? Renaming shark attacks, shark interactions, or sending $5,000 of Bitcoin to somebody with my name spelled wrong? Let me know. Drop a comment below. Like and share with your friends. Oh, anyway, let's move on. My main Friday squeeze watches right now, XELA, YVR, and SGOC. And listen, I know I've mocked SGOC all week, but here we are. It's Friday, and the stock is still up 500%. I mean, this was a $2 stock at the beginning of the week. We're still here at 11. So yes, I've mocked it, but understand when these things hold up all week, here we are. All right, Infamous Blue. I like your username. Asking about XELA. Oh, geez, nice red to green this morning. So yeah, I mean, again, this is one of the top watches for a Friday squeeze. I don't like this fail yesterday morning, so I would wait for afternoon only. If this is trending above VWAP, the big reason I don't like it in the morning is that big fail the last couple mornings. So, XELA, afternoon VWAP holds. Brian, AEHR, dip and rip. AEHR. This moved after hours. I was out last night. I did not see this moving after hours, I admit. We're up to a 52-week high. Little bit higher float. These higher floats have been moving lately, you know. I mean, like SGOC. I mean, SGOC a little higher float, but moves like a low floater. What is the news? No, some earnings winter crap. So, semiconductor materials, they're down on Cato Terrace in Fremont. Let's take a look at this. Not as sketchy as I thought it was going to be. I expected a much sketchier looking office. Yeah, 100% dip and rip. Look for this to set the high of the day. The one caution I would have is it is a little higher float, so have realistic expectations. Okay, that's I think sometimes a lot of people get tripped up on is, listen, AHR big move last night, holding. Just understand that it's this stock's probably not going to go 300%. like a 2 million floater would. So just have realistic expectations. YVR, yep, already talked about YVR. Martin likes to trade MRIN. So MRIN bagged. So they did the offering, and here we are back above the offering price. Again, you got a lot of baggies in this, but this is a Friday afternoon squeeze watch. I mean, they did the offering, and we know, we've talked about this so many times. Shorting the offering, man. Oh, it's a, I don't know. I've talked about, nobody wants to hear about it anymore. It's just, I cannot believe, it's like shocking to me how people just refuse to evolve. Like, refuse to change, refuse to modify their strategies, and just get stuck. They're just stuck with trying stuff that used to work. It used to work. But the market changes. The world changes. Everyone changes. Everyone changes. Man, I was trying to think. Isn't there? Well, there's probably like a 50. Isn't there like a Celine Dion song like that? Anyway, I mean, everything changes. And these guys that try and short into the offering, man, it just does not work anymore. So yes, Friday squeeze candidate. Everything changes. What is, god dang it? Everything changes song. Katie, is it Katie Trockley? Is this actually? No, I'm not listening to that. Anyway, thoughts on C-pop. Whoa. That might be the worst music video in history. Boring. AMC bounce. No. I mean, well, listen, AMC, you guys know what I've said a million times. Okay? It's coming. Okay? Now, what's coming? The MOAS. And you guys know I've said this forever, but this thing needs to get back near the highs. Okay? The MOAS, the mother of all short squeezes, is coming. But what am I always going to say? Don't try and guess bottoms, okay? When this thing breaks back out, which at some point I believe it will, now whether that be next week, next month, next year, 5 years from now, listen, quit with the guessing games. Quit with the guessing games. I do think this is coming. It's just, you might buy here. And this is, I'm going to finish on this point. I got a busy day. This might be misunderstood. I get it. You're like, well, Tim, you're saying at some point this thing's going to re-break out. Why wouldn't I buy it at 36, 35, 37.60? Well, the biggest reason is, remember what I'm doing here. I'm talking to the new trader. The new trader, you probably have a small account. So here's the thing. Listen, we know the reality of having a small account. Most of the time, you have to use a significant portion of your account to trade anything to make a difference. I know. You read some personal finance magazine, they're going to tell you use 10% of your account in each position. Yeah, you got a small account, you got like $200 worth of stock, and it goes up 40% or 50%, and you make $80 or something. Okay, you got to go use a lot of your buying power. So you go into AMC down here, and maybe it doesn't squeeze for a month or 6 months. And now you can't trade anything else. So understand, when I talk about these concepts, these approaches, and these levels, I'm always, listen, this thing's free. I don't think Paul Tudor Jones is on here. Stevie Cohen, hey Stevie, worth $80 bajillion. I don't think Stevie Cohen's on pre-market prep. So understand, the MOAS is coming. You buy down here, you might be waiting months and you can't trade anything else. So that being said, I got to run. I actually was going to get out of here a little earlier. Have a great day, my friends. Have a great Friday. I always tell you on Friday, StocksToTrade.com/watch list. The free weekend watch list goes out every Sunday. I've got that free course on YouTube going right now. Check out the podcast, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And most importantly, have a great day, and we will see you next time.